Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update ngayong September 16 to 30, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Sagittarius. What is coming to you ngayong September 16 to 30, 2024? Building blocks. Wow. So, kung ano man yung mga itinayo mo, no, what you are building, your career, your family, your business, nagpapatuloy siya sa pag-unlad. Okay? Ngayon nakikita mo na yung pag-angat mo, nakikita mo na nag-grow ka, no? Nag-grow yung relationship, nag-grow yung business, yung trabaho mo, yung career mo. So, you are seeing results, no? Nakakita ka na ng resulta sa iyong mga pinaghirapan. So, parang meron ka ritong mga tinatanaw, no? Tinatanaw mo na ang iyong kaharian. Kaharian talaga eh. You're seeing the fruits of your labor. And continuously, ini-improve mo pa para mas marami ka pang ma-achieve sa buhay. And I also see na pwedeng ikaw ay magiging sikat or sikat ka na ngayon or parang mas dadami pa yung following mo, mga followers mo, mas maraming mag-appreciate sa'yo kasi parang you have the platform wherein you can showcase your talents, your skills, your abilities. Oo. Wow, loyal heart. O, some of you, maaring meron kayong makikilala na person if you are looking for a romantic partner na parang pakiramdam mo, you are very similar, no? Malaki ang inyong pagkakapareho na masasabi mo na, uy, parang soulmate ko to ah. Oo. Yung iba naman, if you are connecting with someone, maaring mas lalo nyong patatatagin yung inyong relationship. Some of you may engage or mag-aasawa. You are going to build, o yung iba sa inyo, you are building a very strong relationship with someone. Truth be told, so meron kayong clarity, realization, revelation na malalaman ngayong second half ng September. It's like, pagiging open. Someone might be opening up sa'yo about yung feelings niya, nararamdaman niya, yung mga bagay na hindi niya sinasabi or ipinapakita sa iba. Pwedeng kaibigan na mag-open up sa'yo na meron pala siyang problema, hindi mo akalain na meron siya pinagdadaanan dahil lagi lang siyang masayahin, di ba? So, maaring you're going to help this person dahil itong owl is, it symbolizes wisdom, knowledge, new perspective in life na pwede mong ma-share sa iba at makatulong ka sa para sa clarity ng taong yon. Or pwedeng reversal yung role. Ikaw yung makaka-receive uh, ng advice from someone na kung saan mag-open up ka sa kanya about what you are going through. Your overall energy, the Empress. Oh. Wow, yung iba sa inyo, if you are active sexually, okay, merong possibility ng baby rito, diba? So, of course, if you're not yet ready, be careful. But if you are really waiting for this, then congratulations. And the Empress is also about stability, fertility, productivity. So, maaring you're going to be very busy ngayong second half ng September. Marami ka pa rin kailangan gawin, asikasuhin. But rest assured na maganda yung mga results nito. Merong abundance. Oo. Abundance coming into you. And this is also another sign para sa'yo na alagaan ang iyong sarili, to practice self-love, self-care. Your challenge is the Queen of Pentacles. So, pwede magkaroon ka ng challenging situation with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Pwedeng parent, no? Magulang mo, specifically nanay, or someone na merong authority over you. Pwedeng boss mo, asawa mo. Oo. Pwede rin naman itong may kinalaman sa finances na maaring meron kang kailangang tulungan. So, your opportunity is the Ten of Cups. Meron kang opportunity to spend time with your family, with your loved ones. This is celebration also, no? Meron kang isi-celebrate na achievement ninyo as a family. Pwedeng nakabili kayo ng sarili nyong bahay, or nakabili kayo ng sarili nyong lupa, or anything that is very valuable para sa inyong family. Okay? So, I also see na meron ding mga ibang mga tao na will celebrate with you kung meron kang mga achievements na narating, because yes, you are building your career, your business, your finances. And then your blessing is the Queen of Cups. Yung iba talaga sa inyo, Sagittarius, confirmed buntis. May mabubuntis or pwedeng manganganak na kayo. Yung iba, mamadaliin ang pagpapakasal, pagse-settle down. Kasi Ten of Cups is also about family. So, you are building a family right now. So, maaring ito yung, ma-reveal sa inyo. Kasi dalawa na yung buntis dito. Tapos, may energy pa ng mother, and then meron pang energy ng family. Ayan. So, let's see your money, career, finances. Yung iba naman, kung hindi naman to pregnancy, this is about you taking care of yourself. The more na iti-take care mo yung sarili mo, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, the more na makikita mo na mas appreciative ka sa sarili mo, kasi nakikita mo na, wow, ano pala, may igaganda ka pa pala, may ikakagwapo ka pa pala, or may i-improve ka pa pala. Because you are taking care of yourself. Your money, career, finances, the wheel of fortune. Yung iba talaga sa inyo may paglipat ng bahay o kaya trabaho. You have the Four of Swords, which is, this is healing, no? So, when it comes to your finances, kung nagkaroon kayo ng financial difficulties, problema sa pera, sa trabaho, sa business, you are finally moving on from that, or you are recovering. Some of you naman, kung medyo busy kayo lagi sa trabaho, ngayong second half ng September, mas may chance or pagkakataon kayo na makapagpahinga. May mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip nyo pagdating sa trabaho. Pwedeng nape-pressure kayo sa grupo, sa mga inaasahan sa inyo sa work, sa business. So, kalmahan nyo lang, no? Kasi the more na mas nasa stress kayo, the more na hindi kayo nagiging productive, okay? So, let's see your love life. Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords, King of Wands. So iba sa inyo, meron rin kayong ka-deal, pareho nyong fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. Some of you, meron ditong ending a connection, a relationship na abusive, or something that you feel na hindi mo na kayang ipagpatuloy. Pwedeng romantic, pwedeng sa family. For some of you, someone na parang hindi maaasahan na tao sa buhay ninyo. So take whatever resonates, kung sino man yan, na parang lagi na lang sa'yo ipinapasa yung responsibility. Tapos pwedeng now na-realize mo na hindi mo na hahayaan na abusuhin ka. So you're cutting off connections with that person. Period of frustration, lessons to be learned. So that's what I'm seeing for your career, business, or finances. Na yes, maganda yung pasok ng pera or merong abundance, but meron ding frustration pagdating sa iyong finances. Pay attention to your, diba? Pay attention to your finances. Baka kasi meron kayong mga nami-miss out, or meron kayong kailangang ayusin sa inyong spending habits. Too much concern with sexual matters. Okay, for some of you, pwedeng nagiging issue ninyo ang sexual relationship nyo with someone. Just take whatever resonates with that, kung saan yan nakaka-connect sa inyo. And then, Antelope, new pathways. Consider whether you are happy on your current path. O, di ba? Kumbaga, i-review nyo, i-reassess nyo kung masaya ba kayo sa inyong situation. Kasi kung hindi, meron kang bagong path, bagong susubukan na tatahaking landas. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye!